In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the error 400 bad request on Google Chrome. This pesky error can be quite frustrating, especially when you're just trying to browse your favorite sites. Fortunately, there are a few simple steps you can take to resolve it. First, we'll start by clearing your browser's cookies and cache. This is often the most effective way to get rid of this error and restore your access to the site. To do this, open your Chrome browser. In the top right corner, you'll notice a three-dot menu. Go ahead and click on that. This expands a menu where you'll find the option labeled More Tools. Once you're there, select Clear Browsing Data. A pop-up window will appear, and you'll see a drop-down menu titled Time Range. You should choose All Time from this drop-down to ensure a comprehensive cleanup. Now, make sure to check the boxes next to Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. If you'd prefer to keep your browsing history, you can leave that box unchecked. Once you've prepared your selections, go ahead and click the Clear Data button. Once the data is cleared, it's a good idea to restart Chrome and then try visiting the troublesome website again. If clearing cookies and cache doesn't do the trick, don't worry. Our next step might. Let's try using an incognito window, which can bypass some of the usual browser settings and extensions. Start by opening Chrome and clicking on the three-dot menu again. This time, select New Incognito Window. In this new window, navigate to the website that was causing the error. If the site loads correctly, it suggests that the issue may be related to your extensions or the current browser settings. To pinpoint the problematic extension, go back to a standard window, open Settings, and navigate to Extensions. Here, you can disable your extensions one at a time, checking each time if the website starts working again. This process helps identify which extension might be causing the conflict. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to fixing the error 400 on Google Chrome. Whether it's clearing out old data or checking your extensions, these troubleshooting steps are designed to get you back to surfing the web smoothly. Remember, technology is here to make our lives easier, not more complicated. Thanks for tuning in, and happy browsing.